Today I'm going to show you how to customize different views in Notion. Ladies and gentlemen, customizing and managing your view in Notion is relatively simple. Let's go over to this Gantt chart over here, and the default view is a Gantt chart, or in this case a timeline. Here we can also view by priority or by all projects. You can see everything just like this over here. Now what you will see over here is you will see a plus button which it says add a new view. Once you click on this, you'll be able to see different types of views. So let's say, for example, we want a calendar view, and in a few seconds we have to just give that a name. In a few seconds we can just change all the properties here, say done, and you'll see that view up over there. We can also go and add in a new data source. So this can be a data source that's coming from any one of these areas here. You can also go to more templates, and this will essentially allow you to have a different type of view setup. So for example, goal tracker, you can also customize it over here. So you've got due date, priority, and team. Go ahead, click on continue. You can customize the goal tracker either by all goals, by status, your goals or your team's goals. And you'll have that view in here as well. So if you go in over here, you'll have all of these views. And this is a great way to customize how you're actually seeing your data.